Hi class, let's take a look at problem H, sorry. And then before we actually carry it along division, let me just start by multiplying by 10 and multiplying by 10. So this actual problem is going to be 17.8 plus, well, in this case, it'll be 32.7 divided by the values of 15. And let me carry the long division on the side. So as we carry the long division, this is going to be 15 and then a 32.7. So we're looking at a total of 2. So that's going to be 15 times 2 is equal to 30. And as we carry the subtraction, we're going to end up with the values of 2. And then we definitely need to go into the decimals. So decimal place, drop the 27. It's not going to fit twice because that'll be 30. So we're talking about 1. And that's going to give us 15. As we carry the subtraction, we're looking at this is going to be a 2. And this is going to be a 1. So let me just drop the 0. We'll carry 2 decimal places. 15, we're looking at 7 or 8. I think 8 will do it. Let me double check. I don't think it exceeds. If not, I'll just erase it and go back. Okay, that's going to be a 40. And you carry 4. And 8 times 1 is equal to 8 plus the 4. That's equal to your values of 12. So this one actually zeroes out with a with 0 remainder. Okay, so from the previous problem, let me just carry it here. And we're looking at this is 17.8 plus our division gave us 2.18. So 2.18. The last step, it's going to be to carry this actual sum by using vertical form. So let me just carry it on the side. This is 17.8 and we're adding 2.18. Just as a placeholder, let me put the 0 in that position. And let me fix my 8. So we're looking at, well, this is going to be, our first value is going to be an 8. That's going to be a 9. Don't forget the decimal. That's a 9 and a 1. So our final answer is 19.98.